and welcome to a new tutorial where we would be learning about insertion sort. Okay, so the insertion sort is really straightforward and very efficient algorithm than the previous one which we have learned, that is bubble sort. Now over here, this concept is actually based on a real life example, that is the deck of cards. Okay, where we sort the playing cards according to the particular card. Okay, so now let's do something. Let's actually see how it works. Okay, so you see few numbers in front of you, I'm sure. So what's happening? This is the list. The first thing here is the list. Now what happens? The first one is compared with the second one. Okay, then if this is smaller, we just shift it to the very beginning. Okay, or the place where it should belong to, rather the place where it should belong to. So let's see this. 3, 4, 2. 2 belongs over here. That's the reason we'll shift it over here. 10, we don't need to do any changes with 10 because the number which is before this is at its correct place, that is smaller than as required, right? 4 is smaller than 10. So it's at the correct place. Similarly for 12, 10 is smaller than 12. So it's at the correct place. Now this one comes over, right? So now what we will do? How can we shift it there? We need to shift it, right? We need to shift it. So whatever value we get, we will just now keep it moving till we find the number which is like the smaller one, where it will fit in. We'll keep on moving till where it needs to be fit in. That's what we need to do. Okay, so again, coming with 5, again we checked with this, and again we inserted it over here since 4 was smaller than it. Again, similarly over here, 5 was smaller than this. That is the reason we've inserted it over here. So this is how it works. Okay, so this is very simple insertion sort that we had a talk about. All right, so now let's do the implementation of this code very quick. So let's go to the PyCharm, and in PyCharm, what we will be doing now is that we'll be first of all creating a new file, and we'll name it insertion sort. Okay, now let's work with the insertion sort. So cool. Let's first create the function def, okay, insertion sort. What do we need? As usual, we need list1. We need the list to pass in here. Now we need to traverse through the list from 1 to the length of the list. So what I'll do, for I in range from where? From the element 1 to length of the whole list. Okay, and then the next thing which we need to do will be storing the let's say I'll take val and list I, that I variable. Okay, I'm storing it in val. List1. It should be list1 because I have passed in list1. All right, and now what to do? J. Now we will be moving the elements. Okay, we will be moving the elements. So greater than value to one position ahead of the position where it is. For that, we will take a j is equal to I minus 1. We'll shift it. Okay. So while j is greater than equal to 0, and you need to completely keep on moving that, okay, value, that val is less than list1 j. Okay, now again we need to keep on moving, right? So what I'll do, list1 j plus 1 is equal to list1 j. Now j is equal to j minus 1, j minus 1, and let me come out of the while and list 1 j plus 1 is equal to val. Okay, oopsie. All right, after this we need to return list1. Okay, and then in the list1 we can just simply put in the values. Let me just help myself out with the previous bubble sort values itself. So yeah, I'll just copy this whole thingy and put this over here, but I'm sure you should do it, you should not do it in this way. Okay, and yes, let's try it out if it works. Yeah, it works fine. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You can also do one more thing, I guess. You can print list1 over here. Oh, yes, I missed the brackets. And you can have a look, see what happens. Actually not over here, I guess. This is the wrong place. This is the place where you should print it. Yes, this is the place where you should print it. So you'll see all the iteration. You can like sit over here and have a look that how is every move working. So first of all, it starts with this, changes the value, changes this value. You can sit and see how it completely works. Try to absorb. Okay, this is a very cool stuff. So you can try to observe how it is working exactly with the help of the code, how every iteration is working. That's why I told you that you can print it and try it out yourself. All right. So yeah, that's it for this video. Let's meet for the next one, that is merge sort. And let's complete this searching sorting with merge sort. There are a few more sorting stuff, that is heap sort, and there is selection sort, which you can, if you are interested, you can definitely find it out and work with them. But these are the three things which you really need to know. That is the reason I made the videos for these. So the next one which we'll be talking about is the merge sort. Let's meet in the next video.